Here are 3 ways to get more clients in your marketing agency or digital marketing agency, social media, whatever you want to call yourself. Okay. Number 1 is putting out content. Okay. Let your audience know what you offer, what results you've gotten in the past, how easy it is to get started, transitions that people have had before and after, stuff like that. Put out at least 3 pieces of organic content a day. And I put out about 10, but when you first start teasing your results, start teasing your method, start trying to make yourself very curious to your audience, okay? Posting organic content, it builds a bridge of trust between you and the person watching because it doesn't make you just a logo or an agency or a company anymore. You are selling yourself, and if you have a good personality or personal people and you give people value, they're going to be more willing to give you monetary value back, which is signing on with you and working with you and trying to build a relationship with you. Number 2 is paid ads. Okay, if you're not running ads right now to get leads and booked appointments, phone calls, whatever the case may be, you're missing out on tons of cash. Okay, tons of cash. That's what I do right now. I have a lead funnel that I send all business owners to. I run ads. They're swipe up Instagram story ads. I run them all to that lead gen funnel where it qualifies them based on the questions they ask. They then get sent to a Calendly where my sales team is selling them on high ticket products that allows me to scale, make more money, and always do 6 figures a month. Third one is organic outreach, cold VAs, virtual assistants who can reach out on your behalf and just start cold messaging people. Also, cold emailing, okay? I do this thing on Fiverr, where I do data scrapping and I'm able to pull email lists from, 25-mile radiuses all around the US. And they basically will find email lists of all business owners in a certain mile radius. And then I use Lemlist using like a really crappy Gmail account that I'm not going to use anymore. And I just send cold emails out to tons of business owners who want lead gen, okay? Lead gen is a very lucrative service if you have a system down to the T. If you don't, then it's kind of hard for you to actually fill a business up with high qualified leads who are actually willing to buy your shit. So those are 3 ways I get clients. If you're an agency owner right now who needs help scaling, message me the word 6 figs and we'll chat soon. I am working closely with a couple of agency owners who want me to obviously help them build systems and processes for them to scale their agency without working more. So message me the word 6 figs and I'll talk to you soon.